To inspect and replace the spark plugs on your ProStar S4 Indy Adventure snowmobile, follow these steps. Ensure the snowmobile is on a flat level surface. Remove both side panels by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Pivot the panels away from the sled and pull out to remove. Next, disconnect the 2 hood latches. Then, lift the hood up slightly and disconnect the 7S display connector. Continue by pivoting the hood back and remove from the sled. Next, remove the 2 push pin rivets on top of the air duct. Then, cut and remove the panduit strap from the air duct. Continue by separating the air duct from the duct system and setting the duct aside. Before continuing, clean the area around the spark plug coils. Next, remove the 2 fasteners on each spark plug coil. Then, disconnect the connectors on the rear of the coils. A flathead screwdriver may be used to aid in disconnecting the connectors. Continue by carefully pulling upward on both spark plug coils to remove. Before continuing, blow any dirt or debris out of the spark plug wells with compressed air to prevent anything from falling into the cylinders. Next, remove the spark plug wrench from the spark plug holder. Then, loosen the 2 spark plugs and remove from the vehicle. If reusing, take note of the cylinders they were installed in for reinstallation. Next, inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup and verify there are no cracks around the insulation. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. Also, inspect and adjust the spark plug gap if needed. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for the recommended plugs. Next, install the spark plugs into the engine and torque to specification. Then, carefully push the spark plug coils onto the spark plugs and ensure they are secure. Continue by reinstalling the coil fasteners and torque to specification. Then, reconnect the coil connectors. Next, reconnect both ends of the air duct to the duct system. Then, reinstall the 2 push rivets into the top of the air duct. Continue by securing the air duct tab to the frame using a panduit strap. Next, reinstall the hood panel, ensuring the front tabs are properly engaged. Then, reconnect the connector underneath and verify it is secure. Continue by securing the 2 hood panel latches. Next, reinstall both side panels by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Then, latch the 3/4 turn latches to secure each panel. Finally, in a well-ventilated area, start the vehicle to ensure proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.